Part 17 of our Indian Constitution deals about the official languages. Which language is to be used in our country? So, officially recognized some languages, union languages, regional languages, and courts languages, etc. First chapter deals about the languages of the union. Second chapter regional deals about the regional languages. The third chapter deals about the languages to be used in the Supreme Court and High Court, etc. Fourth chapter deals about the special directives. So official languages, special directives deals about the fourth chapter. Article 350A. Article 350A deals about the facilities for instruction in mother tongue at primary stage. Facilities for instruction in mother tongue at primary stage. Almost all the states must give initial priority, importance, recognition to their mother tongue. Mother tongue should be used at primary level as official language, must be taught in the schools according to Constitution. Facilities for instruction in mother tongue at primary stage. Article 350B. Special officer for linguistic minorities. Special officer for linguistic minorities. Special officer. Suppose Minority Commission, Language Commission, and some minorities they are having separate language like Urdu, etc. So Minority Commission officer, special officer for linguistic minorities, that deals in this Article 350B. Article 351 deals about the directive for development of the Hindi language. Directive for the development of the Hindi language. Generally, Hindi recognized as national language of our country. Throughout of our country, every state should recognize Hindi is a national language. At the same time, it should develop to maintain nationality and nationalism feeling among the citizens. So that deals in Article 351 of our Indian Constitution.